Galveston Island Taste of the Strand Walking Food Tours. A walking tour over cobblestone and use of stairs. A great Galveston Island cruise ship excursion. Accommodates up to 16 with an average duration of 3.5 to 4 hours. Cruise ship foodie excursion well worth the time. ID required for drinking alcohol, fountain drinks and tea available as well as free water. Tourists' attractions experienced as well as seen. How much do you love your food and what kind of foodie are you? Island shore excursions for your next last and current sailing. Taste of the Strand will delight you with variety. Book event by phone 409-599-5425 or online, tasteofthestrand.com.